Callum, you share the points. Did you feel you did enough to win the game?
Yeah, certainly on the first half performance, I think we had our fair share of the ball. We created a lot of chances, and it's just not falling for us at the moment. I think the boys are doing everything, in all fairness. I can't fault the work ethic, but at the end of the day, if we want to be winning games, you've got to take the chances that come our way.
You were playing in midfield today. You found yourself everywhere, including in the penalty area for that goal. Talk us through that.
Yeah, it's been a long time since I was playing in midfield, sort of week in, week out. It's come as a shock to me, but it's natural. It's not anything too new. But yeah, I found myself in there, and luckily I could tuck it in the bottom corner.
Steve, that game went both ways. Can you quite believe that you didn't win it, given the chances?
Yeah, I can't. Could have been really, really comfortable at half time. I thought we played really well. Looked like our old selves in terms of going forward. Looked a real threat, created a lot of chances, goal line clearances, etc. And find ourselves coming in at a 1-1. Obviously, Caernarfon would have been delighted with that, especially scoring in about 40th minute from a set piece as well. So that was disappointing. But also we knew as well Caernarfon could come on really strong in the second half, so we reminded the players. And again, I think we've created more than enough to go and win the game, and then find ourselves 2-1 down, but we showed character and got the equaliser. But again, we got to turn these draws into wins, and that's the disappointing thing that we didn't win the game.
You know, Caernarfon are a good team, but I think they've troubled George maybe twice, the 2 shots on target they scored with. And with ourselves, we've created a lot more chances on the day, and I thought we should have been out of sight, especially in the first half, like I said, yeah.